Transcona Historical Museum, we have a building full of interesting artifacts that speak volumes about Transcona's history. One of our most recently acquired artifacts that is too big to fit inside the museum is CN's historic 2747 engine. Built in 1926, the CN 2747 was the first steam engine built in Western Canada. It was built right here in the Transcona shops. Over the next 5 years, more than 72 steam engines were built across Canada, 33 of which were built in Transcona. But the days of the steam engine were numbered with the invention of the diesel engine. Once CN decommissioned the steam engine, the 2747 was placed in Rotary Heritage Park in 1960. But in 2015, the Transcona Historical Museum acquired the engine and are now discussing restoring and revitalizing this important piece of Transcona history.
So the first thing is to figure out a way to protect it from future deterioration. And there's a couple of ideas. One might be to enclose the train in a structure, a fairly large structure that will protect it from weather, protect it from graffiti, protect it from all kinds of all the elements. So that will be one thing we're looking at. We have formed a committee from the museum, based on the board and from other interested parties, to look at alternatives, figure out some costing for these alternatives, and then go for public consultation and go for support, funding, and those types of things. But we need to focus very quickly on how do we stop it from future deterioration, how do we protect it, and that'll be phase one. Phase two would be how do we restore it back to its original, as close as possible to its original condition, and number three will be how do we make it accessible to our generation, future generation, to actually go and see the train and perhaps even get on the train and see what it looked like and felt like in 1926.